This is the list of the parameters that need to be adjusted. It's the welding standard, the pipe standard. This is for the material selection, for usage, for the weather. The most important is the welding standard and the pipe standard, and also the material. These three options are the most important. Let's go to the first one. This is welding standard. You can choose what is the suitable standard for your welding. We usually use this one. And this is to set the pipe information. For example, now it's 315. You can change it, like 500. And this wall thickness, like this is temperature. Usually is 220. There's no need to change. Now is the pipe standard. Let's choose one of these. And the material usually is P100. Now it's the setting is okay, and now you can press OK to continue. 为什么它没有反应? Now if you press OK, it will go automatically into the welding procedure.